smoked brisket crispy egg rolls. What's up, everybody? Kyle, You're Behind BBQ. Welcome back. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all the fun stuff. Today we're going to do something cool that we do at the restaurant. It's a very big seller here. People go crazy for it. I only bring it out every now and then. Today we're going to do our brisket egg rolls. So to start off with our brisket egg rolls, we're going to use 1 brick of cream cheese, just your standard cream cheese you buy at the store. You just need 1 brick. Dump that in there. Then you're going to use 1/3 cup of shredded cheese. I use the 3 cheese blend. All right, next we are going to use our Your Behind BBQ green chili bacon rub. Now I just do this to taste. I've done it so many times. I'm not sure how many tablespoons I go to taste and kind of color. So I'll do, that's probably 3 tablespoons of that. All right, so now we're gonna mix this up. You're gonna wanna get it real incorporated. All right, now that that's mixed, kind of pound it out a little bit. So at the grocery store, they have a, believe it or not, vegan section. It took me forever to try to find egg roll wrappers because I hate asking people for help, but I asked and they showed me, and it's under the, it's in the vegan section. So you'll get a pack of egg roll wrappers. They got wonton wrappers. They got all kinds of cool wrappers over there. So you get your egg roll wrapper, get it out, kind of lay it down. Then I got me a little cup here. It's got water in it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tap the edges, get all the edges wet. You can use a brush if you want, but I don't like dishes, so I'm just gonna use my hands. Okay, now you're gonna get all 4 corners. Then you're gonna get your cream cheese mix. You can use as much as you want. I get probably about that, and then I'll roll it. I'll roll it out. Lay that in the center. Now I also have here is our leftover brisket from the day before. So it's smoked, it's cooked, it's ready to go. It's just cold. Then I'll probably get like almost like a handful. Kind of press it with my hand. And then I will lay that in the center. Now the cool thing about egg roll wrappers and the cream cheese mix, you can add any meat. Make sure it's cooked. Any kind of cooked meat you want inside of an egg roll wrapper. I might even do a whole egg roll wrapper series. If you like that, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what else you want me to wrap in egg rolls. I'm thinking SpaghettiOs, macaroni and cheese, lobster mac and cheese, pork. You can do anything. Green chili chicken. Whoo! I think green chili chicken might be next. I don't know. Leave me a comment. Let me know down below if what you think I should try wrapping next. All right, so you're gonna basically roll it like a burrito. Tuck one end in, you're gonna tuck it under the food, kind of press it down, and then you're gonna roll it just a little bit. Then you're gonna flip it one end over, flip the other end over, and you're just gonna tightly roll. Just be very careful when you're rolling because these egg roll wrappers are real thin and you will get a hole in it. There you go. And then kind of just tuck the edges. Now you'll see you'll get some here that are kind of sticking out on the corners. I'll just get some water. Put some water in there. Kind of just tap that down, fold it in, boom, closed. Boom. Boom, just like that. She's good. All right, that's on the tray. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire up our deep fryer. Yes, we're in a kitchen. Yes, I have professional deep fryers or commercial deep fryers. If you don't have a deep fryer at the house, it's no big deal. Make sure you get a pot, fill it up with some vegetable oil, put a thermometer in there and crank it up, and you want the oil to be at 350 degrees. If it's not at 350 degrees, do not fry anything because it's just gonna fall apart and be a soggy mess. Oil has to be at 350 degrees, and then we're gonna drop the egg rolls. All right, our deep fryer is set up. She's screaming. And we are at a temperature of 350 degrees. She's ready to roll. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop these egg rolls. Now, if you're doing this at the house in a pan, this area here, your fold, you always wanna make sure your fold is down on the basket or down into the fryer. Fold into the fryer. Put your fold down. So what that does is kind of the fold sits on the basket or sits on the bottom of your pan and doesn't just go float up and explode everywhere in your fryer. All right, so we're gonna drop these. I'm gonna give it about a minute and a half, but I'll constantly go up and down, up and down, up and down. I just want a golden brown is exactly what I'm looking for. All right, we're at 3 minutes. Check these bad boys. Color's close. Want a little more golden. A little more golden. So I'm gonna go about another 45 seconds, and then we're gonna check the temperature of those. If you don't have a thermopen, please get a thermopen. This is the greatest invention ever. Like, there's a link down below where to get them at. They're worth every investment. All right. See what temp we're at. Woo! 179, 113, 58, 147. All right, I'm gonna go 30 seconds. I kind of poked a hole in each one to get a reading of it. So that's gonna help kind of get the grease inside as well to speed it up. So right now I'm happy, they're looking good. So total cook time right now, we're probably about 5 minutes. 5 minutes and some change. All right, let's pull these bad boys out. Ooh, drain the grease. All right, straight out of the fryer, baby. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Can you hear the crunch? Yeah, can you hear that? I'm gonna burn my face off. But there's only one thing left to do. One thing, it's time to eat. Please don't burn my face off. Any parties, people over, you try to impress the old lady, you're in the doghouse, whatever the case may be, this will win over everything. Nobody will ever be mad at you again. This is absolutely fantastic. Nice and crunchy. Cream cheese, green chili bacon, smoked brisket. Woo-hoo, come on, man. Y'all enjoyed this video? Wait to see what I'm cooking up next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.